All right, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Thanks for joining us today. This is Derek Harp, the founder and chairman at CSA and your CSA Online host. I'm excited about another session today that should prove to be interesting with a very, very interesting individual. And so today is brought to you by Trend Micro, and William Malik, Bill Malik, the Vice President of Infrastructure Strategies, is going to be our guest.
So the first thing I wanted to say was I want to become a mentor. I'll talk with you, Derek, about how to do that. That's an extraordinarily important activity. I wouldn't have gotten where I am without mentorship, without the guidance and counsel and feedback from trusted folks who are senior in the industry. Cybersecurity is a real problem. This was a survey of IT and OT supervisors and directors in the US, Germany, and Japan. We do have splits in the report. The document is publicly available, showing how things vary by country. But I'm dealing with the summaries here so you get a context for what we're seeing as overall. What do we do if we want to collaborate? Well, the figures here show the answers to the following questions.